Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a backup on REALME P3. Alright, so let's begin. First we need to open up our settings. Once we are here, we need to scroll down into the bottom until we find System and Update, and now click on Backup and Reset. Now in here we have Google account that we are currently logged into. Right in here, click on that icon, and now we have the account storage, and below we have our Google account that we are currently logged into. It is really important to remember on which account you are making your backup, because for example, if you want to restore that backup, you will need to be logged into the same Google account on which you made the backup. That's the account, of course, on your device. Now also make sure that you have some free storage space to create a backup. Enable Backup by Google One right in here, and when it comes to the backup details, in here you have a list of things that will be backuped. Okay, now simply click on Backup Now. Now the process will start, so we need to wait a few seconds. Okay, now under the backup word, a thin bar appeared, and it's starting slowly to fulfill. Basically, when it disappears, it means that our backup has been successfully made. If everything goes well, we will also see a notification on the bottom of the screen that says that our data has been successfully backed. So I'll see you once everything is made. Alright, the backup has been made. We can also see information over here that the backup was made 0 minutes ago. We can also take a look on the hour, and also the number 1 in the circle means that everything went fine. And the last thing, as you take a look on the backup details, in here you can see that 20 apps has been copied, the call history, and also the device settings. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.